Conduction, this is the mode of heat transfer in solids. Convection, this is the mode of heat transfer in fluids, that is in liquids and gases. Radiation, it is the mode of heat transfer when there is no medium in between. Arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid and gases. In solids, you can see that the molecules are arranged very close to each other without any intermolecular space. In liquid, there is some space between the molecules, so the molecules can move around. In gases, there is a lot of space, so the molecules can move around. That's the reason why liquids and gases flow and then solids can be heaped. Conduction, transfer of energy through matter by direct contact of particles is conduction, and this we can see in solids. In solids, heat is transferred from one molecule to other by direct contact without the movement of particles from its place. Whereas in convection, the heat is transferred actually by molecular movement. Whereas in radiation, without any medium in between, heat is transferred. Look at this picture. Here, the vessel is in direct contact with the heat. The vessel gets heated because of its contact with the source of heat. But then the handle too is hot because the heat is transferred from the vessel to that of the handle by conduction. In the second one, convection, the water in the container is getting heated because of convection, and even the air that is above it, the air is also getting heated because of convection. Fluids, both liquids and gases are fluids. So convection of heat is in liquids, in fluids. Radiation. So energy is transferred by electromagnetic radiation. That means when there is no medium in between, there is no molecular movement, there is no molecules involved. Without any medium, if heat is transferred, then it is called as radiation.